Japan 7-day budget itinerary, under $1,000 USD. Most people think Japan is expensive. And if you do it wrong, it is. But a full 7-day trip to Japan, accommodation, all transport, food, and activities, can cost under $1,000 US. I'm going to prove it, day by day, dollar by dollar. This is your complete Japan budget itinerary. Welcome to Noodle and Navigate, your go-to resource for first-time travelers in Asia. This itinerary covers 7 days across Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka, with exact costs for every hotel, meal, and activity. All prices are in US dollars based on 2025 to 2026 rates. Let's build your trip. 3 things before your flight. First, buy your JR Pass online. A 7-day pass costs around $390 and covers unlimited Shinkansen between Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. The same trains cost $550 without it. Link in description. Second, get a Japan eSIM from Airalo for around $9. Third, get a no-fee travel card like Wise or Revolut for ATM withdrawals. These 3 moves save you over $150. Days 1 and 2, Tokyo. Check into a capsule hotel in Shinjuku or Asakusa, $25 to $40 per night. Day 1, Meiji Shrine free, Takeshita Street free, ramen dinner $10. Day 2, Sensoji Temple free, conveyor sushi lunch $12, Shibuya Crossing at night free. Total for 2 nights, all meals, all transport, around $160. Day 3, Hakone day trip for Mount Fuji views and an onsen soak, $45 all in, covered by Junior Pass transport. Day 4, Shinkansen to Kyoto, covered by Junior Pass. Makiya guest house $45. Philosopher's Path free, Nishiki market dinner $15. Day 5, full Kyoto day. Fushimi Inari at sunrise free. Arashiyama Bamboo Grove free. Kinkaku G $5. Gion District evening free. Full day, $50. Day 6, Osaka, hostel $25. Takoyaki $3, Okonomiyaki $8, Dotonbori walk free, Osaka Castle $6, standing sushi $15. Day 7, Kuromon Market breakfast $10, Daiso souvenirs $15, Haruka Express to airport covered by Junior Pass. Final total, approximately $740, well under $1,000. 3 rules that keep this budget intact. 1. Eat 1 convenience store meal per day, cuts food budget by 30%. 2. Book on Booking.com 2 months ahead, last-minute Tokyo prices can double. 3. Free is everywhere, Meiji Shrine, Sensoji, Philosopher's Path, Fushimi Inari, Arashiyama, Dotonbori, Gion, over $100 worth of attractions at 0 cost. 7 days. 3 cities. Under $1,000. Japan is not expensive, it just requires a plan. All links, JR Pass, hotels, tours, eSIM, are in the description. Subscribe to Noodle and Navigate for a new animated Asia travel guide every week. Next up, the complete Japan food guide, what to eat, where to find it, and how to order with no English menu. That video is right here. See you in Japan.